Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter straight line, and in that chapter we discuss about the equation of line in distant form and in distance form, and also we derive that equations of line. Now we revise one more time that topic and we take and solve some questions based on them. So please let's see once more time, which we discuss distance form of a line. We discuss about the distance form of a line. Suppose that in that topic we discuss about x o x dash. Here we take as y o y dash. Okay. Suppose that a line. Suppose that a line AB passes through in this way. We cut the x-axis at point. Suppose that line cuts at point A and y-axis at point B. Suppose that. Okay, and making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. And suppose that let us take that line is passes through the point x1 y1. Okay, passes through the point x1 y1, and let us take P be any point on that line. P be any point on that line which distance from the point Q be r, which distance from the point through which the line is passes. Let us take a point P x y on the line, which distance from Q is r, and here we draw in this way. We derive that type of we derive that derivation. Okay, that theta, then that angle is also equal to theta. This distance is what? X minus x1. This is x minus x1, and this is what? Y1 minus y1. So in this way, dear student, we form a figure and we derive that type of equation, and we know that the distance form of a line. So the equation of a line is straight line passing through the point Q x1 y1 and making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis is given by the relation x minus x1 upon cos theta is equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta is equal to r. In previous class, dear student, we derive that equation, and here r is what? R is the distance of the point xy on the line from the line what? From the point x1 y1. Okay, here r is the distance between P and Q. Okay, now dear student, this is the required equation of line which distance r from the given x1 point x1 y1 and P be r. Now one important thing is that, dear students, the equation of line is this. Here from this equation, let's see, from this equation we have what we have. Let's see, this is very important topic. From this equation we have what? Let's see, we have x minus x1 upon cos theta is equal to r, as well as y minus y1 upon sin theta is equal to r. From this, the value of x minus x1 is equal to r cos theta, and here from there y minus y1 is equal to r sin theta. In this way, the value of x is equal to what? x1 plus r cos theta, and from there the value of y is equal to what? y1 transfer that side, that is y1 plus r sin theta. In this way, we find the coordinate of point which lies on the line, that is xy. In this way, this is the coordinate of point P. This is the coordinate of point P as xy is equal to what? x1 plus r cos theta, comma y1 plus r sin theta. Here theta be what? Here theta be the angle. Here theta be the angle makes by that line with the positive direction of x-axis and r be the distance of that point from the point through which the line is passes. This is the one important relation between them. One important thing is that, dear students, here the coordinate of any points, suppose that the coordinate of the any points on the line, the coordinates of any point which is on the line at a distance r from the given point x1 y1 are x1 plus r cos theta and y1 plus r sin theta. It is clear that one important thing is that if p on the right side of x1 y1 then r is positive, and if p lies on the left side of the q then r is negative. So dear student, in the above form can be determined the coordinates of any point which is lies on the x-axis and distance r from the given point through which a line is passes. Okay, though there are 2 points, so in this way r can be taken in positive and negative. So the required point, thus the required point on the line is what? x1 plus minus r cos theta, comma y1 plus minus r sin theta. Okay, because of, dear student, if p lies on the right side of the point q then r is taken as negative positive. When p lies on the left side of the q then r is taken as negative. So the required coordinates of a point which is lies on the line and which distance from a given point x1 y1 is r is given by the relation x1 plus minus r cos theta and y1 plus minus r sin theta. This is one of the most important result of that topic. Okay, now dear students, we take and solve some important questions based on that topic. Okay, let's see. Your question is, this is very important question. Let's see. A straight line is drawn through the point through the point. Okay, a straight line is drawn through the point P23. Okay, and is inclined at an angle is inclined at an angle 30 degree at an angle 30 degree with the x-axis. Okay, with the x-axis. Find the coordinates of 2 points. Find the coordinates of 2 points. Find the coordinates of 2 points on it at a distance 4 from P, on either side of P. Dear student, this is one of the most important question of that topic. Let's see very carefully. Here, dear student, a straight line is drawn through the point P23. Okay, means that straight line passes through the point 23. It is clear that, and making an angle theta with the positive direction of x. In here, dear student, let's see its solution. Here what is given here? Theta is what? 30 degree, and the required point through which the line is passes here, the point through which the line is passes is what? P. Here the P is what? 2 3 as x1 and y1, because of that line passes through the point 2 3 na. So this is the value of P through which 2 3, that is x1 y1, through which the line is passes. And what is given, dear student, here? And yes, distance r, yes, and it a distance 4 from P on either side. How? Find the coordinates of 2 points on it. Let the coordinate of 2 points be x and y, and the distance between them and x and y, the distance r. Here the r is what? 4. R taken as plus minus 4. Now let's see. We know that, dear students, here x1, so here theta is equal to 30 degree and P is equal to x1 y1 is equal to 2 3. So the equation of line will be what? Will be what? You know that? Yes, x minus x1 upon cos theta is equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta. That is, we get a what? And this is equal to plus minus r. Okay, because of r lies either side of that point. That now let's see. We have, first we take what? Now we take x minus x1 upon cos 30 is equal to plus r. First we take plus r. Okay, plus minus r, write as plus minus r. So here from there we find the x is equal to what? X is equal to x1 plus minus r cos theta, and when we take y minus y1 upon sin theta is equal to plus minus r, then from there we find the another point y is equal to what? y1 plus minus r sin theta. So dear student, from there we find the coordinates of 2 points which is lies on the line. Let's see, we put all the values in that. Let's see, x is equal to, here x1 is what? 3 2, here we put 2 plus minus the value of r is what? Here the value of r is take as 4, and here we write cos theta is 30 degree. Okay, so we write in this way. And another coordinate P y as what? The value of y1 is what? 3 plus minus the value of r as what? 4, and we have the sin theta, the value of theta is what? 30 degree. So here we put 30 degree. Now let's see, after solving that we get x is equal to 2 plus minus the value of cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2 na? Root 3 by 2. So here we put root 3 by 2 into 4, and here we have plus minus 4 1 by 2. So the required point as x is equal to what? 2 to the 4, means 2 plus minus 2 root 3, and y is equal to 3 plus minus 2 to the 4 plus minus 2. Now if we take positive, then now let's see, now required points are, okay, now we take positive is we take plus 2 plus 2 root 3 comma, if we here we take plus, so we get 5, and another point if we take minus, then another point will be what? 2 minus 2 root 3, 2 minus 2 root 3 and comma 3 minus 2 as 1. So yes, this is right answer. So dear student, these are the required points which is lies on the line. Dear students, so dear student, this is one of the most important concept of that topic. Okay, so please do more and more practices of that type of question. Now dear student, we take and solve some other questions based on the we take and solve some important question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Let's see, dear students. We take a question, dear students. The slope of a straight line, the slope of a straight line, the slope of a straight line through A B point through which the line is passes through A 3 2 is 3 by 4 is 3 by 4. Okay, find the coordinates of the points. Find the coordinates of the points on the line that are on the line that are 5 units away from A, that are 5 units away from A. Okay, dear student, this is one of the most important question of your topic. Let's see one its solution. Here the point through which line passes, through which the line is passes is what? X1 y1 is equal to A 2. Okay, in that question, dear students, here the point through which the line is passes is what? 3 2, and the slope of the straight line given by the let theta be the angle made by them with x-axis, made by them with x-axis, then tan theta will be, because of you know that the slope of the line is equal to tangent of that angle, na? So here we take and let theta be the angle made by them with x-axis, then here slope will be 3 by 4 is given, then tan theta is equal to what? 3 by 4 according to question. From here, first of all, dear student, we find the value of sin theta as well as we find the value of cos theta. Let's see. Let us take a right angle triangle. You know that this process is very easy. Let us take theta, and you know that tan theta is equal to क्या? Perpendicular upon base. This is 5. Then sin theta is equal to what? 3 by 5. And cos theta is what? 4 by 5. So dear student, first of all, we find the value of sin theta as 3 by 5 and cos theta as 4 by 5 by the help of this relation. Now what I do? Now dear student, let's see. Now the equation of line in distance form. Now the equation of line in distance form. In distance form what? X minus x1 upon cos theta is equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta. Dear student, this is the formula for that, na? Yes. So dear students, here now the equation of line in distance form will be what? X minus x1 upon cos theta is equal to y minus y1 upon sin theta. Now we put and this is equal to what? Plus minus r, and here r is given by what? Because of that distance between the point this and the point x y be what? 5. Here r is equal to 5. So let's see, we put all the values. X minus x1 is what? 3. Cos theta is what? The value of cos theta is what? 4 by 5 is equal to y minus y1, means y minus the value of y1 is what? 2 upon the value of sin theta is what? 3 by 5 is equal to plus minus what? We put the value of r as 5, because if that the required point lies right side of a, then we take as positive, and then if it lies left side of a, then it will be take as negative. So we must be take as positive and negative both, plus minus. So here we put all the values. Now first we take plus 5. Okay, now we take positive sign, then we get what? Let's see, x minus 3 upon 4 by 5 is equal to 5, and y minus 2 upon 3 by 5 is equal to 5. Now let's see, after simplifying them we get 5x minus 5 3 is 15 is equal to 5 4 is 20. So we get as 5x is equal to 20 plus 15 as 35. So x is equal to 35 upon 5. 5 7 is 35. So the value of x is equal to 7. If we take positive 5 plus 5, then after solving that the value of x is equal to 7. Now here similarly we can solve for y. We solve for y. Let's see, if we take this is 5y minus 5 2 is 10 is equal to 5 3 is 15. Now here from we get what? 5y is equal to what? 15 plus 10, that is 25. So the value of y is equal to 5 5 5 is 25. The value of y as 5. So if we take plus 5, then the respective value of x and y means, hence the value of that coordinate x and y is 7 and 5. 7 and 5. Similarly we take minus 5. Okay, let's see. Similarly okay, similarly we take minus 5. We get, let's see what I get. If we take minus 5, then we get as, let dear student, x minus 3 upon 4 by 5 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 by 5 is equal to minus 5. Now we take x, that part is equal to minus 1, and we take that part. If we take x minus 3 upon 4 by 5 is equal to minus 5, then what is we get? Let's see, that is 5x minus 5 3 is the 15 is equal to 5 4 is the minus 20. Now from there 5x is equal to minus 20 plus 15. So the value of 5x is equal to minus 5. So that has cancelled to each other. So value of x is equal to minus 1. Okay, now what we take? Now we take as this is equal to minus 5. Now if we take y minus 2 upon 3 by 5 is equal to minus 5, then we have 5y minus 5 2 is 10 is equal to 5 3 is minus 15. So 5y is equal to minus 15 minus that side transfer that side, so we get plus 10. So we get 5y is equal to minus 5, 5 cancel to each other, so y is also equal to minus 1. Yes, so thus the required points are, thus the required points are what 7, 5 and minus 1 minus 1. This is our required answer. So dear student, this is one of the most important question of your NCERT exercise. So please see one more time that question, which is very important for you. Let's see once more time, dear students. Here, according to this question, the slope of a straight line through A 3 2 is 3 by 4. Okay, find the coordinates of the points on the line that are 5 units away from A. Okay, first of all, here let us take here the point through which the line is passes is what 3 2. So this is the value of x1 y1. It is clear now. First, and in that question we take as let theta be the angle made by that line with the positive direction of x-axis. Then the slope of the given line is given by 3 by 4. You know that the tangent of the angle made by any line with the positive direction of x-axis is tan theta. So the value of tan theta is equal to 3 by 4, which is given our question. Now from there we make a right angle triangle. From this we find the value of sin theta as well as we find the value of cos theta. Okay, now dear student, you know that the equation of line in distance form, the equation of line in distance form is what x minus x1 upon cos theta, y1 minus y1 upon sin theta is equal to plus minus r. Here r is the distance of the required point from that point through which the line is passes. Okay, now here we put all the values in this equation. Let's see, x minus x1 is what 3 upon 4 by 5. This is the value of cos theta. Similarly, y minus y1 as 2 upon sin theta, and the value of sin theta is 3 by 5 is equal to plus minus 5. Okay, now we take plus 5 and we take minus 5. If we take plus 5 and then we solve that equation, we get the value of x as 7 and the value of y as 5. Okay, similarly, if we take negative sign, then we find x minus 3 upon 4 by 5 is equal to y minus 2 upon 3 by 5 is equal to minus 5. Again, from when we take this is equal to this, and now we take this is equal to this. In both the cases, we solve. After solving that equation, we get the value of x is minus 1, and after solving that part of that equation, we get the value of y as minus 1. So in this way, dear student, the required coordinates of the points, okay, the required points of the coordinate of the point is 7, 5 and minus 1 and minus 1. This is our required answer. Okay, so dear student, today we discuss about the equation of line in distance form, and we also derive that equation of line in distance form. And today we take and solve very important question of your NCERT exercise based on that topic. Okay, so dear student, first you revise all the topic which we discuss in that class. Okay, after that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on the equation of line in distance form. Okay, now in next class we take and solve some other important question based on that topic. And dear student, in next class we discuss about next topic of your chapter, which is transformation of general equation in different standard form. This is your next topic. Okay, your next topic is the transformation of general equation in different standard form. Dear student, first you complete your NCERT exercise based on the topic equation of a line in distance form. After that, in next class we discuss next topic of that chapter. Okay, thank you.